AWS offers several different flavors of directory services. The first is called AWS Cloud Directory, and this is a cloud-native directory designed to be used by applications to share access to hierarchical data. Now, this is best used if you have applications that need to access that hierarchical data and maintain complex relationships within that data. Then we have Amazon Cognito, which has some sign-up and sign-in functionality that's really designed to scale to millions of users. It also has some federation that we can connect to a lot of the popular social media services out there. And it's generally used to develop consumer-facing applications, or maybe you have a software as a service. Its real benefit is it offloads you from having to create a lot of these sign-up and sign-in functions on your own. We also have the AWS directory service for Microsoft Active Directory. Now that's just a full-blown AWS-managed implementation of Microsoft AD. And it could be the standard or enterprise edition, and it's going to be running on a Windows Server 2012 R2. And that's for organizations that need a hosted Microsoft AD. Now, if you happen to already have an AD on-premise, you can use the AD connector, which connects AWS with your existing AD and allows you to implement single sign-on for existing users inside that Active Directory. You can also allow EC2 instances to join the AD domain. And finally, we have Simple AD. It's just a low-cost, low-scale, very simple implementation of an Active Directory using Samba. And it's useful if all you need is just a simple user directory to be able to authenticate against. Now on the exam, you're going to need to know the difference between these two guys, the AD connector versus Simple AD. Now for the AD connector, you must have an existing Active Directory. And it can use the existing Active Directory users in conjunction with some IAM roles to provide access to those users. And it also supports multi-factor authentication if you happen to have an existing radius-based MFA infrastructure. Now, Simple AD, on the other hand, unfortunately doesn't support multi-factor authentication, and it doesn't have any concept of trust relationships, which are common in Active Directory. But it does support user accounts and groups and policies and domains, and it does also support Kerberos-based SSO.